Governor is ordering all flags in Virginia to be lowered to half-staff in honor of Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. The 87-year-old passed away Friday due to complications from metastatic pancreatic cancer. CBS correspondent Natalie Brand looks back at the life of the woman being remembered as a legal, cultural, and feminist icon.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg was a star in the legal world, but most Americans learned her name in 1993 when President Bill Clinton tapped her for the Supreme Court.
I, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, do solemnly swear.
Poised and soft-spoken, she was a native New Yorker with a stellar resume and only the second woman ever picked for the nation's highest court. Ginsburg had to fight her way along her career path. But being Jewish, a woman, and a mother, she said were 3 strikes that put her out of the game.
Having experienced discrimination, she devoted the next 20 years of her career to fighting it.
Ginsburg took on a series of landmark cases dealing with gender equality. She argued 6 cases before the Supreme Court and won 5. She welcomed President Clinton's nomination as a step forward for women.
Crowds have gathered at the steps of the Supreme Court, leaving flowers and candles, they say, to honor Justice Ginsburg's career of contributions to equal rights.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg was an icon for women. I mean, my success, my family, my wife, I wouldn't have that without Ruth.
One of the High Court's more liberal voices, Ginsburg consistently supported civil rights, and she issued a strong dissent in the Bush versus Gore case, which decided the 2000 election. Ginsburg survived several previous bouts with cancer, and her refusal to step down and unparalleled work ethic earned her pop culture icon status.
It was beyond my wildest imagination that I would one day become the notorious RBG.
She raised a political flap during the 2016 presidential race when she called Republican nominee Donald Trump a faker. She later said she regretted her remarks but stopped short of an apology. The president learned of her passing late Friday.
She was an amazing woman who led an amazing life. I'm actually sad to hear that. I am sad to hear that.
Ginsburg lost her husband in 2010 after 56 years of marriage, but she was back in court a few months later for what she called an exhilarating development, when Justices Kagan and Sotomayor joined her on the High Court, another milestone for the women's movement, which Ginsburg helped pioneer. Natalie Brand, CBS News.